Hey guys, Stan Dale, President of Florida SunCoast. Hope you're doing well. Hey, got a little winded last week on the video. I know it's a little bit long, so I'm going to trim it down this week. We're going to focus on the next 4 or 5 days. A lot of events coming up, some brand new events this weekend. We really want to call attention to these and get those out on the scoreboard. So this Friday, tonight, whenever you're seeing this, Friday night is the Friday night social, downtown Tampa Channelside Garage, 7:30 to 9 o'clock. Great event. Go check it out. You finished up your work week. Great rooftop gathering. The pictures that we're seeing coming out of there, the sunsets, the cityscape, and the cityscape at night with the lights, just absolutely gorgeous. Go get your car and go up there, meet the guys, meet the folks, and get just a remarkable picture. Awesome screensavers, I will tell you that. I've seen some beautiful pictures up there. Saturday, the inaugural event at Phil's BMW in Lakeland. And Kyle's putting this together Saturday morning, Lakeland Cars and Coffee, 9 to 11. This is going to become sort of a regular for our folks east of the greater Tampa area. Anywhere you are, you can go to it, but we're officially kicking it off on the east side of Tampa to offer some events over on that side of the arena, and for some of our folks that are out in the Lakeland communities as well. So Saturday, looking forward to that. I'm going to be there. And we've had a ton of RSVPs already, so looking forward to a great turnout. And I really thank Kyle. This is his first inaugural event, so come on out and support this one. So we'd love to see you there. Jacksonville and Ocala, Gainesville, and the villages, Al and Meribeth have put together a co-op. It's this weekend. It's the combined west-east, east-west, coming from the Jacksonville area to Alachua and coming from the Gainesville, Ocala villages area to Alachua. We're going to Conestoga's restaurant. That's going to be sort of a great meet in the middle, or meet almost in the middle, if you will, at the restaurant. Some drive on some really nice curvy roads, so you've been looking for a really nice drive, get out of town and go enjoy this. Should be a great event. East meets west, west meets east. Really pretty cool event. So thanks for Al and Meribeth putting this together. Be a part of that. I understand the sign up is a little slow, but come on guys, we're putting this together for you in that area. Need you to come on out and support the progress. Sunday the 11th, you've heard me talk about it. Naples Cars and Coffee at the Germain BMW South facility. That's off Davis Boulevard in Naples from 8 to 11. I've got a lot of RSVPs on this already. These 7 of these cars, I'll contact you when you see this video. I'll be contacting you already to say your car is on the deck. So be there early so we can get your car loaded in. We're doing a little breakfast cooking for you, some crepes, some really classy coffee mix there. So come on out and join us. This will be the inaugural Germain BMW Cars and Coffee in Naples. For all those folks we have down in the Naples and Marco Island area, hey, here it is, come on down. On the 13th, which is Tuesday, Panama City, we have Chris and Margaret putting together, that's the Bimmers and Dinner, and that's going to be at Cooper Tap Grille, and that's just a few blocks from my office in Panama City, so I'm going to be there too in Panama City. I'm going to be Saturday at Cars and Coffee in Lakeland. I'm going to be at the Sunday Cars and Coffee in Naples, and I'm going to be at the Panama City Bimmers and Dinner on Tuesday night, the 13th. So come on out, support Chris. That's from 6 to 8:30 at the Cooper Tap Grille. And can't wait to get there. Heard a lot about it, so I can't wait to test some of the food. And then on the 15th, we're going to Punta Gorda and Port Charlotte on the 15th. That's 9 a.m. to 11. That's the weekday buffet at the Coffee and Friends location. This is we're floating this opportunity for a weekday event. Let's see what that does. Thursday morning event from 9 to 11. John and Erwin put together both BMW CCA, Florida SunCoast, and the Z Group meeting there, so we should do that. And then the following Saturday will be Cars and Coffee in Fort Myers. I'm going to save the rest of the calendar. A lot out there, though. Go out and see. We're jam-packed with events, sign-ups, and drives. We have drives all over the place. We have drives up in Panama City. We have drives going on over in the Panhandle. We got drives going on in Kevin's area. Great one last weekend. So come on out, get on the calendar, pick a couple of events, come out and see us. Hope to see you at a lot of these events this weekend or this next coming week. Come on out and join us, folks. Until then, we're going to tell you, happy motoring. Get off that sofa. Come on and play. See you now. Bye.